First, navigate to Custom Product on POD Master app. Click on Add New Product, select Dropshipping from Printful. Choose the product that you want to customize. Click Select this to choose the product. In this part, you can change your product details like the titles, the descriptions, the colors, the size, and the sides of your product. Click Next. In this part, select the sides of your product for custom setting. Click Next. In this part, now you can customize your product like adding image or text. Choose the markup price and we'll auto-configure your product prices. Congratulations, your markup is finished. Click Next. Your product is being created by Printful and Shopify. It will appear in the next 5 to 15 minutes. Your customized product is already in the store.